Hello friends, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can transform your WordPress site into a maintenance mode using a plugin. So let's get into it. First, you log into your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, by putting your email or username and password. So once you are in your dashboard, go to the plugin menu, click on that, and then you need to find this here, plugins, and then add new plugin. So here you need to search under construction. So this is the plugin recommended by most of the experts, and I also personally been using it, and I think this is great. So I already have activated it, but otherwise you just need to click on activate, then it is going to be installed. And then once it's been installed, go to your plugin menu again, and from there find where it is. For me, here it is. Click on settings, and from there you can go through all these options. It's free, but for some advanced feature you need to go for their paid version. And then if you go to the design, you can choose whatever design that you want to be shown up when people will visit your site. And then here you can write whatever you want to write as title. For instance, here it is under construction. Headline could be whatever you want. You also can send a message if you like, if there's anything you want to say in particular. And then you also can choose content, font, and everything else here. You also can add your social media link in case if you want your visitor to follow your social media whilst you are under construction with your website. So once you are happy, just click on save changes, and that's how it's gonna be changed, and your site will be shown as under construction. So friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.